Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil, part of Boggle Socks TV. My name's Andrew and this is
Yuli.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw a
vampire blah blah blah.
If you enjoy our tutorial, please subscribe to our channel. Shall we get started?
Yes.
Let's begin.
And first of all, in the middle of the page about here, we're going to do an upside down heart. Like that.
A bit like the sugar skull.
Bit like the sugar skull. Okay, now either side, we're going to do some cute little eyes.
Wait, is that the nose?
That's the nose, yeah.
Okay, mine looks nasty.
Don't worry. Vampire bats have got big noses. So then we're going to do a little reflection here and a little reflection on the bottom, like that. Okay, so there's these little cutie eyes.
But then you have to colour these bits in.
Hold on. Yep, that's great. Okay, so here we're going to do the ears. So we're going to do some other hearts, but they're going to be pointing diagonally, like that way. Okay,
Bats
and that
look a
way.
bit like rabbits because of their ears.
They do, yeah, because they use their ears to see.
It's basically like a rabbit just with wings.
Yeah, it kind of is. Okay, so do one that side, and then we're going to do another one this side, like that. And then here, I'm going to give it a nice smiley face. So I'm going to do a straight line down like that. And then I'm going to curve back that way. And curve back that way. And then let's give it some fangs.
Do bats have fangs?
Vampire bats do, yeah.
Yeah, but do actual bats do?
Pardon?
Do actual bats do?
Actual bats normally no, but some of them have got sharp teeth because they eat insects and things like that. So here we're going to do some little dots.
For its nostrils.
And we're going to do some little dots in the ears, like there and there.
That's
Okay.
three. That's three noses.
It's almost like it's got three noses, yeah. Okay, and then we're going to draw a curved line like that.
What is that?
That's the top of his head.
Can I make put eyebrows and eyelids?
Yeah, you can do that. And then I'm going to just follow the shape of the ears like this. Okay, you got that? Now the head is a bit fuzzy, so I'm going to do some fur. So I'm going to do some lines this way. And I'm going to do some lines going round like this. Okay, and if you want it to look really hairy, I'm going to do crisscrosses. Okay, so I'll make mine look like it's got a beard or something. Okay. Okay. Okay, so
it's as long as Rapunzel's hair.
okay, we've got our fuzzy bat head. So now we need to do the body. So from here, I'm just going to do a line going out that way and a line coming out that way.
It's a bit like Peppa Pig.
A bit like Peppa Pig, yeah.
Peppa Pig bat. No, Peppa Bat.
Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do
Doesn't look
a
anything.
curve.
Was
like
that
that.
spring roll?
No, that's its body. Because remember, they're kind of basically, like you said, like flying rabbits. So that's its body with its legs, yeah?
Is that its leg?
Those are going to be its legs, yeah?
Oh.
Right, like Peppa Pig, in fact, we can do that now. We can do 1, 2, 3 little claws on the bottom. 1, 2, 3 little claws. Okay?
Okay, now it looks more.
Now we're going to do the wings. So I'm going to do a curve coming up here like that. And I'm going to do the same on that side, like that. Okay?
It's basically like a vampire leg in Transylvania. He turns into a bat.
Yeah. So I'm going to do a line, diagonal line, like that on that side. Really good. That's fantastic. I do a diagonal line that way, like that. Okay? Now, we need to do another straight line. So I'm going to do a line from here coming up to that point, like that. And on this side I'm going to do the same. Okay, and then here I'm going to do another line coming from here, and it's going to match up to there, like that. And on this side I'm going to do another line that matches up like that. And the sound effects really help. Okay, now this is the fun bit. What we're going to do is we're going to loop round, and then loop round again, and then loop round again. Got it? Amazing. I'm going to do the same this side. And then you've done it already. Fantastic. Okay, so the bat's wings are actually like a hand. So we've got 1, 2, 3 bones there, which are the part of the membrane.
Then you have to do the hands here.
Now here we're going to have to put 2 little claws up there, like that,
Can I do
at the
3?
top of the wings. You can do 3 if you want.
I'll just do a little one in the middle.
Okay, so then the next thing to do is in between the finger bones of his wings is like webbing, like that. So if we go like this, it'll help give
On all of them?
Yeah, so we're going like that and then like that.
How many?
It just doesn't matter, as many as you want. It's just like webs between the wings.
But like little rainbows.
Yeah, like little rainbows. That's a good description. Okay.
Oh, it's a bit like from Adventure Time, but like the unicorn going how she moves.
Yeah, exactly like that. Okay. The rainicorn.
Yeah, the unicorn.
Yeah.
You said the rainicorn.
I thought she's called a rainicorn because she's like a rainbow unicorn. Right.
Wait, I'm not done.
You done?
Nope.
Okay. So, the next step.
Wait, I'm not done.
Okay, I'm waiting. Yeah, is to start colouring it in. Wow, Yuli, that is an amazing drawing. Give me a high five. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and if you did, subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, which is Magic Pencil Art for Kids. We're still running a competition where you can win this amazing book on how to draw animals. Realistically, all you got to do is send in your pictures to our Facebook page, and the winner will win this fantastic prize. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.